So basically, if we go to the website that the vendor gave us, which is https ucsb-rds.tsccloud, /rd web, this is the
Hmm.
screen we get here, right? So we get here, and then of course we would log in. Just log in real quick here. Can't type. Hold on.
Okay, so Kai didn't type in that URL when he showed the failure. He did it without RD web. So I think there's step one.
But I tested it again. So so you get this like RDP site here, kind of with the link, right?
Uh-huh.
So then we go here, TS main, TS main. I think it's double click. That's not doing anything. Oh, here it is. Okay. Yeah. So when you double click it, it launches this executable, this RDP executable here.
Hmm.
And then it starts the app, and then you get the login again. So this login is actually now it's actually logging into Transax's server now, right? Right
Okay.
here, which is the same login as the first login to get this RDP window here.
Hmm.
So if I log in here, I think I mistyped it. And this is where it fails on the machine at 1501.
Okay, and so that looked like it connected accurate.
Yeah, well, this is my machine.
Hmm.
It should give me
So
another.
quick before we go anywhere else, can you open a command prompt for me?
Yeah.
And ipconfig/all. Scroll up.
Yeah.
Uh,
I am VPN into the campus
okay,
remotely.
so this is, yeah, 128.111.195 is VPN space. Okay, good to know. Thank you. Just so when
Um,
I go back and look at this recording, I have info on
okay.
exactly where worked and where didn't.
I could send it to you too as well.
Mhm.
Hold on. Where did I? There's no other window. That's weird.
Down in the center, it looks like you have an RDP client VPN thing. Left, left, there.
That's my other one.
Okay.
Normally it pops it up, but is it because of Zoom or something that's doing something weird? Normally it would pop up another login screen.
No, we can always try again.
Let me just, well, I don't want to stop the share, but let me just click on it again because it usually gives you another window. It gives you a second login to actually the one that Kai sent you. That's to actually log into the application. No, there it is right there.
Okay.
So this is yeah. So this is the final login to you're actually in this the application now. The other one was just login to get into their server.
Hmm.
Yep, and then now we're in. But for the I can show you the other one too, but it just basically fails after this. It just fails after logging into this
Yeah,
first
this.
screen here. Yeah.
Oh, Kai showed me it failing logging into the other one.
No, I can show you right now too because I'm on that machine.
Okay.
So here, you see the screen here? I can make it bigger here.
Yeah, I can see that screen.
Okay.
So this is the one in
Basically,
Kai's videos. This is
yeah. So
okay.
basically, yeah, this is I went to the website. We get the same thing here. I'm gonna log in here. We get this screen here,
Okay.
and then I go here. This RDP link here. And it's gonna fail right here. So I'll go TSC cloud. Yeah, this is where it fails right here. Trying to get in to the RDP.
Because the license store creation failed with access denied. Please run remote desktop with elevated privileges.
Yeah, we already tried giving that user full admin access, so it's not that. There's nothing in the license store creation in the registry. Like, they said clear that out, but there's nothing in there too as well. The
Hmm.
vendor does say there's no special certs or anything that needs to be on the Microsoft side, on their side, on our side, basically Microsoft, on
Hmm.
the machine side. So this is
So yeah, let's go ahead and pull details. So that looked like it was connecting just fine. This doesn't seem network to me. Like I know it didn't go through correctly,
yeah.
but that
Yeah. I'm not. I mean, I'm not saying it's networking because it's either the machine. I mean, it's either the machine. I mean, because that network, whatever you guys have in place, is working.
Mhm.
Um, I'm just not sure if if you're saying that the whole site is open, then it should work, right?
I mean the network portion might be working. It looked like it if the RDP were going to fail for a network reason,
Yeah.
it would have failed basically immediately. It got, if you were looking at the things it showed in terms of like what it was doing, it was like
Yeah.
establishing connection, configuring, doing a bunch of things. It would have failed immediately and said, I
Yeah.
can't reach it.
I know that I'm not saying, yeah, I'm just kind of letting you know like about the things that happened because I know that when we created, well, when we did when during the AWS server migration, I think the site to site VPN was tweaked a little bit too.
Hmm.
So I don't know, just throwing it out there. I'm not saying that that's it, but
Hmm.
because I'm pretty sure there were no new additions of machines, prior to that AWS move, what, a month ago?
I don't know.
Yeah, it was about a month or two ago that we did that AWS migration. And I think that site to site VPN was tweaked a little bit. I think I don't know,
Okay.
but maybe
Um,
AC.
and can you do on this machine, can you pull up the IP config for me just so we have everything all in this same because I know if I go back and look at this, I am going to kick myself and be like, gosh dang it, I didn't get the IP. 128.111.134.184. Okay. So that one's still in the top half. Also, Danielle Kemp seems different than what Kai was showing me, but that sounds like it's now multiple devices, right?
Yeah, only yeah, yeah. This is the second machine that we were trying to get it to work on. This is Marissa's machine,
Hmm.
the original machine the user's using. And then of course Danielle's machine is still working. She's
Okay.
never had an issue. And yeah, they're on the same. Well, this machine and Danielle's machine is on the same version of Windows 24H2. The
Hmm.
new machine that Kai put in was 25H2,
Hmm.
but I don't think that has anything to really do with it because I actually upgraded my machine from 24 to 25H2 and it works on my machine.
Okay.
So
All right.
just to kind of give you a little bit more information.
All right. Yeah, this is quite a bit more helpful than the info we had on Friday. This actually
Yeah.
shows the process so I can see where it's failing and what it's doing. I appreciate
Yeah.
that. All
Okay.
right. Cool.
Yeah. Let
Thank
me
you,
know
Frank.
if there's anything. And then, like I said, I can submit a ticket. I don't think that Kai submitted a ticket as well.
No.
Um, but yeah, I can submit a ticket too as well. But on
Okay.
that, so we can at least
I
have
will
record.
run this by John, who's a little bit more familiar, and see if we can see anything.
Okay, thanks, Dylan.
Cool. Thanks, Frank.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, hold on. Question.
Yeah.
Uh, do you have a like a community login we could use if I wanted to test this out myself from a test machine?
No, we don't because we're limited on licensing as well on this. And then um, Yeah, yeah, we don't. I mean,
Okay.
I yeah.
All right. Well, we'll go from here. Thanks,
Okay.
Frank.